Top 5 altcoins I'm going to be watching this alt season, guys. We got to talk about this. I've been up to a lot. I was unfortunately sick the last few days, so that's why I'm not live streaming. We're doing an upload right now because I have to get into a car and drive down to Florida here tonight. But I wanted to get this information for you guys out. These altcoins, guys, we are in the most bullish moment of these markets. We're talking ETF inflows, Ethereum spot ETFs being approved, Hong Kong opening up, China opening up to things like Bybit here. These are huge advancements in terms of liquidity events that could spark the next leg up in this bull run. Trump is going to be debating Biden. If you guys don't think Trump is bullish for crypto, guys, if Trump wins, we're talking 100K Bitcoin minimum. This guy has 80 million followers. He has 4 times the audience, if not even more, than his competitor. And him talking pro crypto is going to be incredibly bullish for the sector. So crypto number one, guys, crypto number one has to be Ondo Finance. You guys already know this, right? I've been talking about it forever at this point, since 70 cents. We actually, the first time we made a video on this channel, it was at 30 cents. But Ondo Finance hit just $1.5 billion in the tokenization market in terms of tokenized treasuries. Now, Ondo doesn't control all of that, but they did just reach a 500 million TVL. That is incredibly bullish. We're talking a $2 billion project with 1/4 of the liquidity locked up. I couldn't even be more excited about this project. Tokenization, I think, isn't just the next narrative. It's not just a trend. It is the future. Everything is transitioning over into tokenized systems. Okay, token number 2, Aerodrome on top of Base. Base chain is probably by far the most bullish chain on the markets right now. Their new Coinbase smart wallet with, of course, the on-chain summer, which is going to be meme coins. Shout out Duke, guys. Yeah, that is going to be a massive narrative that's going to spark not only just meme coins, but NFTs and everything to ramp up over on the Base chain, which is incredibly cheap, if not faster than Solana in the first place, but it doesn't close down. It's backed by Coinbase. It's backed by BlackRock. This has more money than any other ecosystem, and it's making billions of dollars for the companies that are on top of it every single month. It's by far the most profitable chain. So Aerodrome, guys, AMM liquidity provider for, of course, Coinbase. Token number 3. Okay, token number 3, I'm going to have to say, I'm going to merge 2, Near or Render. Okay, getting exposure again to the AI markets. NVIDIA continuously breaks market expectations. These projects, guys, I'm not even exposed to Render yet. I need to jump back into it because I've been way overly exposed to RWAs, which is completely okay, right? I'm just giving you guys the heads up here. The AI sector is only going to continue to get stronger, in my opinion. It finally had that retracement. We called the peak at the GTC Summit on the 17th. I expect that pullback to be absolutely done at this point. It is now testing not only all-time highs for NVIDIA as they beat Wall Street expectations in earnings reports, but they are going to be, in my opinion, the top company in the world. I think they can reach a $5 trillion market cap, and AI is going to follow that. So having exposure to that, I would watch out for, this is a little bit of a bonus, ASI, but it's not out yet. I want the merger to happen, and I want to see hopefully a buy the rumor, sell the news event before we jump in on that. But ASI token would be number, that would be four in that case. I would say really watch out for ASI token. Now, I would group those kind of together, right? I'm diversifying into AI. So I'm gonna have to go with the token true number 4, Stacks, right? You guys keep getting confused. You guys keep going, Josh, the Stacks over. It went down to $1.80, $1.09. Guys, it is the largest layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. OpCat is a new update that they're trying to increase smart contract protocols and the adoption of DeFi on top of Bitcoin right now. DeFi is coming to Bitcoin whether you like it or not. Now, I've talked about other microcaps such as OrdiSwap, et cetera, in the past that have been facing a little bit of selling pressure since the Bitcoin halving, but I am incredibly bullish on the Runes initiative. I'm incredibly bullish on Bitcoin DeFi, which is why DOG is going to be in this same category. Okay, DOG token, we've been talking about it since $200 million market cap. It was launched by Leonidas' platform from his runestones. It is now worth over $1 billion. It is the first meme coin on top of Bitcoin, the largest ecosystem on the planet. I expect that to continue to crush it. And yes, guys, we're in meme coins now. The meme coins are shaping the industry massively, which is why we launched Shubaduki for FOMO and the brands, 100% renounced. It's community owned. Yes, that is a project that I launched on OmniSwap. You guys know the deployer I co-founded. Incredibly excited for the future of that. Now, token number 5 though, okay, the last token here. Now, perhaps the one I'm obviously most bullish on, and you guys might shake your heads, but I have to say it, it's Chainlink. Okay, Chainlink is the RWA player. They're partnered with Securitize. They're the ones at Consensus. They're working with Swift. They are the reason why every single blockchain essentially in existence is able to run and operate with off-chain and on-chain data. They are that intermediary for you guys. So Chainlink, by far, my favorite project, one of my largest bags. It will probably end up being one of my largest bags unless Ondo continues to do a 12x after this. Chainlink is that product, guys, and I would be paying attention to its ecosystem. The AMM's on top of it. The DEX is building on top of it. We have things like XSwap, ChainSwap, etc. Right? That ecosystem is incredibly bullish. To summarize this, okay? So we have number 1, Ondo. Number 2, Arrow, okay? Number 3 is gonna be it's gonna be Render, really, with the AI products we had mentioned. I think ASI can kind of creep into that as well with Near. Number 4 is gonna be Stacks, and number 5 is Chainlink for you guys. Those are my top altcoin picks for this cycle. I think, honestly, a lot of other products, guys, those are gonna be larger market caps. If you want a higher risk video for top 5 high risk altcoins that I'm watching right now, let me know in the comments below, because I'm happy to give you guys that information as well. Duke is obviously gonna be one of those, but I wanna start making more of these series with you guys, because the large cap, those are our blue chips, guys. We're not expecting these to do 50, 20, 100 X's, right? These are the positions in our portfolio that I think are gonna not only sustain themselves, but continue to grow over time and establish themselves as really large players in this industry. And just because I'm talking about these 5 guys doesn't mean I'm not watching all the rest on my watch list. I'm just telling you guys where my head's at right now. You guys have access to my watch list if you guys are in the Telegram, and of course in the Discord. You guys go check out all the products I'm consistently watching. There's tons of DEXs, layer 2s, etc. within there. These are just my top 5 favorite holdings. Now let me know in the comments, guys, what are your favorite altcoins? What am I missing? Because personally, I think Base is the most bullish ecosystem on the planet right now. I think it can honestly compete with Solana. And of course, Base doesn't have a token. So that's why we're getting into things like Aerodrome and watching other products on top of Base grow more and more. Guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.